Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn real estate photos into a cinematic walkthrough with AI. Alright, so let's begin. Before you begin, make sure you have an active Higgsfield subscription that includes access to Kling 3.0. The first step is to prepare your property photos. Instead of choosing random images, arrange them in the same order someone would naturally walk through the home. For example, begin with the exterior, move toward the entrance, continue into the living room, kitchen, patio, and finish with another outdoor view. Organizing the images in a logical sequence is important because it helps the final walkthrough feel natural and connected. Once your images are ready, open Higgsfield AI, create a new project, and choose the Edit Video option. Then select Kling 3.0 as the video generation model. Rather than generating a video from each image individually, use overlapping image pairs to create smoother transitions. Start with the first and second images, then generate another clip using the second and third images, followed by the third and fourth images. Continue this pattern until you've covered the entire property. Using overlapping pairs creates a more continuous viewing experience. For each image pair, write a prompt that smoothly transitions from the first image to the second while keeping the camera movement steady and natural. The goal is to create seamless motion between scenes instead of making each clip feel separate. As you generate each clip, keep the camera direction consistent with the layout of the property. Continue guiding the camera naturally through each room using forward, backward, or slight side movements as needed. Finish the walkthrough with an upward camera movement or a wide exterior reveal to create a polished ending. After generating all the clips, place them in your video editor in the same order they were created. Preview the complete sequence and make sure each transition flows smoothly into the next. If necessary, adjust the order or regenerate individual clips to improve continuity. And that's it. This is how you can turn real estate photos into a cinematic walkthrough with AI. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.